quadratic equations. So this is question number 10 from R.S. Aggarwal. So here is the question, guys. 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0, and you have to find roots. So to solve such question, the only thing which comes to our mind is factorization. Correct? So how do we factorize is multiply first and last term, which is 4 root 3 into root 3. Okay? If we multiply, 4 into 2 is 8 and root 3 into root 3 is 3, which is 24. The product of first and last term is 24. So 24 we can factorize like 1 into 24 or 2 into 12 or 3 into 8, or we can say 4 into 6 and so on. Okay, it won't go by 5 but it will go by 6 like this. Out of this we have to choose such a way that this yani subtraction should be equal to 5. This middle term is important. Subtraction should be equal to 5. So 8 and 3 is most suitable because 8 minus 3 is 5 and 8 into 3 is 24. So this is our best suitable choice for the factors of 24. So I will use these two. So 4 root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 is 0. Okay. Now we are confused. What should we take common? I think in these two, I can take 4x common. So what is left? 4 is out. Left is root 3 and x. Okay. And here what is left is 2 because 4 2s are 2. Minus, now out of these we don't know what to take common. Now remember guys, 3, can I write root 3 into root 3? Right? Because root 3 into root 3 is 3. Right? So this 3 I can write root 3 into root 3x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Now let's copy it. Root 3x plus 2 minus, out of these two guys, what do you think can come out? Clearly root 3 is common. What is left here is root 3x, and because minus is common, so this will become plus 2 is equal to 0. Now between these two, what is common? I can see this is common. Root 3x plus 2 common and 4x minus root 3 is left over. Okay. So after factorization, either this can be 0 or this can be 0. So it is root 3x plus 2 is 0. That means root 3x is minus 2. That means x is minus 2 by root 3. This is my first solution, guys. Now second is this root. So I will make it 0. So it will be 4x is root 3. 4 will go down. So x will be root 3 by 4. This is my second solution. So these two are the roots of the equation, or we can say these are the solution of this equation. I hope you got it. Now let me solve one more question which is very simple. It says 4x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. So out of this, what is the step? First and last we multiply. So 4 into 9 is 36. And this number 36 we have to factorize in such a way that I get 12 by sum. This sign you have to check. Third sign. If this is sum means I have to factorize 36 in such a way to get 12. So 36 I can do 1 into 36. Or 2 into 18 is also 36. Okay. Or 3 into 12 is also 36. Or 4 into I can say 4 into 9 is also 36. It won't go by 5. 6 into 6 is also 36. So I am getting these many possible factors. Out of this I have to choose to get 12. This is best because 6 plus 6 is 12. So I will choose this. So 4x square minus 6x minus 6x plus 9 is 0. Minus 6 why I took? Because I need minus 12. That's why. Now out of these two, what is common? 2x common. So I will get 2x minus 2 is out, so 3x is out, so 2x minus 3. And here guys, minus, so what I'm sorry, here I'm taking 2x minus 3. Can I take minus 3 common? So I will get 2x minus 3 because this plus will become minus because I'm taking minus in front. Now out of these two, 2x minus 3 is common, and what is left is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So I have two roots which is same only. So I can write 2x minus 3 square is 0. So actually 2x minus 3 is 0. After factorization to find out roots, this is the step. The factored, whatever value we are getting, we have to put it equal to 0. So I am getting x is equal to 3 by 2. So both roots are same because it has two same factors. If two same factors, so both roots are same. Okay, since it is a quadratic equation, it has to have two roots and both roots are same. I hope you got it, the equation. Now let's do one more question which came in board CBSE in 2012. So guys, see it carefully. 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square is 0. We have to find roots. Find roots. So to find roots, what is the method that we know is only method is factorization so far. So we have to factorize. Factorize में we multiply first and last. So let me multiply 4 into a square minus b square. Okay. How can I factorize? 4 I can write 2 into 2 and this I can write a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Can I take 2 with this and 2 with this? So it will be 2a plus b, and second factor I can take 2a minus b. Why? Because I'm trying to get sum equal to 4a, middle term. Sum should be equal to 4a. Let me try. I'm taking this and this. Let me try to sum 2a plus b plus 2a minus b. Okay. So it is 2a plus 2b plus 2a minus 2b. So because minus is there, so it became minus. So minus 2b and 2b cancels out. 2a and 2a will become 4a. Okay. So I am getting what I wanted. Fine. So that means my desired factors are this and this. So I will put it here. 4x square minus, my first factor is this, twice of a plus b minus twice of a minus b, and x is also there, plus this. Okay, this I am also writing a plus b into a minus b in a simple form so that I can take something common. This I am breaking into normal factors, a plus b, a minus b. This is equal to 0. Now out of these two, what can I take common? I can take common guys 2x out of these two. So what is left over is 2x minus 2 is out, x is out. So what is left is a plus b minus, out of these two, what can I take common? 2 I cannot take because 2 is not here. A minus b, yes I can take, both sides are there. So I'm taking a minus b. So what is left is 2x plus a minus b is out. So it is a plus b equal to 0. Now I have these two terms, this term and this term. Out of these two guys, see these two terms are separated by minus. this term and this term. So out of these two, I think this is coming common. I'm sorry, this was minus here. So this plus sign will be converted into minus because I'm taking minus in front. So this will be converted into minus. Now this term and this term are exactly same. I am going ahead and taking it common, guys. So here what is left? What is left is only this term, which is 2x minus, here this is out. What is left is a minus b equal to 0. Now I think I got two factors. This is factor 1, factor 2. After factorization, what is the step? We have to put them equal to 0. So I am putting minus a plus b equal to 0. So I am getting x is equal to a plus b. 2x is equal to a plus b. So x will be a plus b by 2. This is my first solution. For second solution, I will put this 0 and this will be 2x is equal to a minus b, where x is equal to a minus b by 2. I hope you got it. So please solve it again. It was a question asked in 2012 paper. So this was the question and it has these two roots or these two solutions. Let's do one more question, guys, similar to this. And here is the question 13 from R.S. AGGARWAL. It was asked in year 2015. Here is the question. 9x square minus 6b square x minus a4 minus b4 equal to 0. And we have to find roots or solution. This is the question. For roots, the only method we know is factorization. So what can we do? Let me see if I can factorize it little bit. Minus, do you remember that x square minus y square can be written as x plus y and x minus y? Do you remember that? Right? So I will write it here. I will write a square square minus b4, I can write b square square. Is it fine? Perfect. So now I can factorize it little bit. A square minus b square square. So can I write a square plus b square and a square minus b square? I hope you understood. What I am trying to do is I am trying to use x square minus y square term. Okay, is equal to x plus y, x minus y equal to 0. Now for factorization, we have to take product of first and last term. So it is 9. I'm taking product of first and last term. 9 into a square plus b square into a square minus b square. This whole term I have to factorize to get 6b square. And after subtraction, this third sign is important. After subtraction, I should get this. So let me see, guys. 9 I am splitting into 3 into 3. 3 into 3, a square plus b square, a square minus b square. 1 3 I will take with this and 1 3 with this. So 3 a square plus b square and 1 3 I will take with this, a square minus b square. I need subtraction to be 6b square. So let me see, this minus this is how much I am getting. Square plus b square minus 3 into a square minus b square. So let me solve it. 3a square plus 3b square minus 3a square plus 3b square. This minus became plus. Now this 3a square minus 3a cancel. 3 plus 3 became 6b square. Yes, I am getting what I wanted. Right, only the sign is different. Sign I can manage by putting both factors as as the required signs. I will show you how. So let me copy 9x square. I need minus 6b square, guys, after subtraction. So I will put this as minus and this as plus. So let me see. minus 3 a square plus b square plus 3 a square minus b square minus of a square plus b square, a square minus b square. Let me see, am I getting minus 6b square? So this will be minus 3b square and this will be minus 3b square. Yes, I will get minus 6b square. Okay? Now I will take this together and this together. Okay? So out of these two, what is coming common, guys? Can I take here x? I forgot to write. This x we have to write. Okay, guys. So out of these two, I think 3x is common. So what is left here is 3x, because 3 3s are 9 and x square, x is out. So 3x minus 3 is out. So what is left here is minus of a square plus b square, plus out of this whole thing 3 I can take, no. Can I take x? No, because x is not here. I think only a square minus b square is coming common, and what is left is 3x minus a square plus b square is equal to 0. Okay, now I have this term and this term separated by plus. Out of these two, see, this and this looks to be exactly same, this and this. So this I will take common. So 3x minus a square plus b square, and what is left here is 3x plus a square minus b square equal to 0, because I took this, what is left is 3x, and I took this, what is left is a square minus b square. Okay, now I got my factors. This is my first factor, this is my second factor, and to get the roots, what are the steps? Put the factors equal to 0. So I am all set to put 3x minus a square plus b square as 0. So I hope you understood. X will be a square plus b square by 3. Why? Because a square b square will go that side and divided by 3. So this is first root. Now 3x plus a square minus b square is 0. So can I write x is equal to a square minus b square with minus sign divided by 3. This is my second root, because this went other side and divided by 3. So I got these two roots for this question. So please guys, if you want to learn better, solve these questions once again on your own, and you can adjust the speed according to your requirement. If you're watching on mobile, on the top corner of the mobile or on the right hand side, you will see 3 dots. If you click on these 3 dots, it will allow you to adjust the speed. So if you're a fast learner, you can increase the speed. If you are a slow learner, so you can just decrease the speed slightly. Okay, just one last question for this video, guys. Here is the 14th question. The question says x plus 3 by x plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 7 and 2x minus 3. In order to solve this question, you have to do this into this and this into this. Okay, so x plus 3, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 7 into x plus 2. After this, you have to solve, bring it in the form of quadratic equation and solve it. Please try to solve it on your own as a test, and the answer is x is 5 and x is minus 1. These are the two roots. If you are not able to solve it, please write me in comment box. I will solve it for you in next video. Let's see next question, guys, which came in 2014 CBSE board. Here is the question. 14 by x plus 3, minus 1 is equal to 5 by x plus 1, and you have to find the value of x. Okay, so for such type of questions, the question is find x. You have to bring all x terms one side and numbers other side. So I am bringing this here. So it is 14x plus 3 minus 5 x plus 1 is equal to plus 1, because this will become plus this side. Okay, now we will take LCM. LCM is the product of these two numbers. So it will be x plus 3, x plus 1. Okay, and how do we solve? If we take the product of these two as a LCM, this is multiplied with this and this is multiplied with this. So 14 into x plus 1 minus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, we will simplify it. See, the product of these two can go here and multiplied by 1, and this we will simplify. Okay, so I will be getting, guys, 14x plus 14 minus 5x minus 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay, what I am doing is multiplying 14 with this, 14 with this, 5 with this, 5 with this. This was minus. Remember, this plus became minus, is equal to 1 into x plus 3 into x plus 1. Okay, now let me simplify little bit here itself. 14 minus 5 is how much, guys? I think you all know it has to be 9x. And what is 14 minus 15 is minus 1, is equal to this. We will multiply x square, x with these two, plus x plus 3x, 3 into this is 3x plus 3. So what I got is x square plus x plus 3x plus 3 is how much? It is x square plus 4x plus 3. Okay, let me write it down. I am getting x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 9x minus 1. Okay, now I will bring everything on one side in order to solve it. So what I will get, guys, x square plus 4x plus 3 minus 9x plus 1 is 0. What I did, 9x I took this side with minus sign and 1 I took this side with plus sign. So what equation I am getting, guys? I am getting x square. What is 4 minus 9? It is nothing but minus 5x. 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. This is my equation. Now it's easy to factorize, because to solve, what is the tool we have is factorize. Okay, because it's a quadratic equation. Quadratic means it has x square term. Maximum power of x is 2. So how do we do? The product of first and last term, which is 1 into 4, which is 4. I have to factorize it to get 5 as the sum. This sign is important, sum. So I will take 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is most suitable factor, 1 and 4. So I will take x square minus 4x minus x plus 4, 0. Okay, 4 and 1 is more suitable, because 4 into 1 is 4 and sum 4 and 1 is 5. Why I am taking minus? Because I need minus 5. Okay, now out of these two take x common, so it is x minus 4. Out of this take 1 common, so it will be x minus 4 equal to 0. Out of these two, clearly x minus 4 is out, and what is left is x minus 1. Okay, so what are the roots? X minus 4 is 0, so x is 4 is my answer. If x minus 1 is 0, so x is equal to 1 is my root. So this 4 and 1 are the solutions. I hope you got it, guys. So I will be back with few more questions in the next class, and I request you to watch it 2-3 times and solve these questions. Thank you so much.